Hello again. So one thing that we are thinking about working on for you this semester would be a one-stop shop for everything PLS, whether that's induction forms or relicensure forms, whether that is the meeting agendas or other resources that you need to access for the PLS meetings, maybe some just really great, just a select few go-to resources that you utilize all of the time. And of course, we want your feedback on what those items are. As of right now, we are thinking that this will be a PLS website. We know that we currently have a Google folder, however, it's not currently very well utilized, and I know that's a little easy to get lost in. So we're thinking about simplifying things and just giving you this on the DCSD website. So you might know that right now, if you go to Employees and click on Curriculum Instruction and Professional Growth, there is a PLS tab. So right now there's a PLS tab. Doesn't really take you to much. It doesn't do much for you. So that's what we are hoping to revamp. We're going to have a website for you that would have all of your resources right here. This is the pathway that you would use to get to it. You might also notice that right now induction is actually a second tab under PLS. We would just have all of your induction items that you need in the PLS tab. So everything is a one-stop shop. It would all be right here. So of course we need some of your feedback. So please be prepared at the August meeting to let us know what are those go-to items that you are constantly having to dig around and find, or email one of us to figure out where it is. What do you see yourself best utilizing this website for? And just what other ideas or feedback do you have for us as we begin to create this? So if you can come prepared to give us feedback, we would really appreciate it. Thank you, PLS.